Hello students, our next topic is recurring document. Business scenario for recurring document. The accounting manager wants to know how his team can post document in SAP with recurring entries to save the time, as the manual entries per document can waste a lot of time or the business users. Recurring entries or recurring payments are regular transactions that appear in your accounts. They can be either be credits or debits and might be things such as the rent or monthly retainer. Some accounting software can automate these recurring entries, saving your time. You can use recurring entries in general ledger, accounts payable and accounts receivable posting. For that, firstly, we will create the ledgers in FS00 and FSP0 under chart of accounts and centrally. SAP में जाते हैं by path. SAP is the SS accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master record, GL accounts, individual processing, FS P0. Enter our GL number 110010. Enter chart of account YGR1, which is for consolidation purpose. Then click on create button. Enter detail as a balance sheet GL account type and balance sheet IFRS equal liability. Enter the name, bank expenses, payables, VS. Bank expenses, payables, VS. Enter full name. Select consolidation number, then click on save button, come back and now click on FS00 centrally and here enter same number with create button under balance sheet, account group, general ledger account, name bank expenses payable, bank expenses payable, select your group account number, bank expenses, then click on control data. Now click on create bank, select your field status group and then click on save button. Click on continue button. Now come back again and create another ledger in chart of account. Enter your GL number 580010. Click on create button. Enter details, non-operating expenses, then balance sheet. Okay, just come back. Chart of account change नहीं किया हमने. FSP0. Change the chart of account to YGR1. accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master records, GL accounts, individual FSP0, enter GL number, change your chart of account to YGR1, click on create button, select non-operating, then balance sheet, enter the name, bank expenses, fee, and then save. Now come back and create under centrally. Click on create button, enter primary cost, profit and loss, return earning account as a plus, and name bank account fee. Select group account number, which we have created as a bank expenses fee. Then click on control data, enter sort key by 001, that is posting date, and element category as a 1, that is primary cost. Then click on create bank interest, enter your field status group G004 cost account, and then click on save button. Now create another ledger with number 580011. Click on with template 580010. Enter your company code. Click on continue and just change the name. Bank admin fee. Then click on save button. Create another ledger with number 580012, again with a template 500. Click on continue button. Just change the bank transfer fee account, and then press enter. Then click on save button. Again create next ledger 580013. Click on with template with 12. Then click on continue button and just change the name bank exchange rate fee account. And now click on save button.